Oh my god, I'm so excited to film this video. Oh my god. Okay, so as you guys will have guessed from the title of this video, today I am revealing my latest project to you all, and I'm really excited about it because this is something that I have been working on for the last couple of months. I've been working on this with my manager, and yeah, I'm just like so excited to show you guys what it is. I am releasing my own t-shirts, and one of them is strategically placed in the background behind me. Do you like what I did there? I just thought it would be really fun to design my own t-shirts, and I'm just gonna throw it out there to you guys that this little project that I've worked on, I don't really want to call it merch because for some, in my mind, the word merch is something that I attach to like bands and celebrities and all that jazz, and I am like neither one of those. I just kind of wanted to design some really cool t-shirts that I knew that you guys would love, and yeah, this is like my little baby that I've been working on for the last couple of months. This is something that I've just like really wanted to do for a while, and I especially really wanted to do this after I released my palette and my lip gloss set with Obsession, because I just saw how much you guys loved it and it was so fun, and it's just really, even now, like, it's still so cool to be sharing photos and videos of you guys on my Instagram, of you like wearing my palette and like supporting it and stuff. And yeah, it just makes me feel all warm and fuzzy inside. So yeah, I have designed my own t-shirts, and I hope that you guys are going to love them. I'm going to run through the designs in a second and like the colors and stuff, but before I do just get into that, I am going to let you guys know that these are now available. I'm going to put the link to them down below in the description box. I've actually got my own web page now where you can buy the t-shirts and stuff from, and I am going to be adding some more designs as we go along as well when I think of them, you know. So yeah, let's get into the designs. For the initial release of these t-shirts, I really didn't want to overwhelm you guys with too many designs to choose from, so we kind of narrowed it down to just 2 designs in different colors. So there's still plenty of choice for you guys, but it's not overwhelming, you know. So for the first t-shirt here, we have this black long sleeved t-shirt. We kept the front of the design very simple because these t-shirts are all about the back design. So this is the back design here, and I just think that this is so cool and so me. Like, for the first couple of t-shirt designs that I released, I really kind of wanted to do something that was just very me and just like related to me as a person and like my personality and stuff. Obviously my name is Belle and I have tattoos, and one of my favorite movies of all time is Beauty and the Beast, so I feel like this design kind of ties in with all 3 things. And yeah, I'm just honestly like, Beauty and the Beast is one of those movies, it just holds so much personal meaning for me, so we did kind of very loosely base the t-shirt designs around that movie as well, because I just, yeah, it's just something that like sums me up, and I just thought that it would be really cool. And I just love how the first t-shirt came out. If I saw this in a shop, I would 100% want to buy it because I just feel like it's awesome. This size is a medium, by the way. I would say that these fit like true to size. Whenever I do wear t-shirts like this, I do like to go up a size, so I have all mediums for myself to wear. So yeah, this is the first design here. Really happy with it. So we do also have this design in a white t-shirt with the design in black as well, because I know that a lot of you guys are not particularly pink kind of girls, so I wanted to do something in a more like monochrome color scheme as well. So we thought we would just do the same design on a white t-shirt in black, like you can't go wrong. And this looks so cool with denim jeans as well. I feel like this is like a really cute t-shirt. It's very simple, but at the same time, like, it looks really cool when it's on. And then obviously on the front we have the same B but just in black. I just love it. Actually, this kind of suits my makeup today as well, do you know what I'm saying? Okay, Okay, so for the second design, I wanted to do something that would tie in with the first design, and I did also want to do another design kind of inspired by Beauty and the Beast as well. So with this one, I really wanted to do a t-shirt that just had a quote on the back. I thought it would be really, really cool. So this is the second design here. Again, on the front, we just have the simple like B logo in like a gothic font, but then we do also have the single rose behind it that we had on the other t-shirt as well. But then on the back, this is where the party is. On the back, we actually have this quote, and it says, "Until the last petal falls," which again is from Beauty and the Beast. This quote, "Until the last petal falls," is something that I have been wanting to get tattooed for such a long time. And yeah, as I said, Beauty and the Beast just holds a lot of personal meaning for me, and that's why I wanted to make the t-shirts like kind of themed around that, and also like me and my personality as well. And I just thought that this was a really cool quote to have on the back of a t-shirt. These t-shirts actually look even better on. I am just like so happy with these, and I really like the font as well. So yeah, we have it in a pink long sleeve style, as you guys can see. And then just like I did with the first design, I also wanted to release the second one in a more monochrome style as well. So we have the same design just on a black t-shirt. I actually love the way that it looks with the white font. I think that it looks really cool. So yeah, we've just got the pink and black long sleeve, and then we also have, oh my god, I'm dropping everything, and then we also have the black short sleeve with the white font. And then on the front of the black t-shirt, we have my logo in white with a pink rose behind it. So it still has like a subtle bit of pink, but just not too much. And then finally, I actually wasn't going to do a hoodie first of all, but my manager Claudia kind of convinced me to go with the hoodie in the end. So we thought we'd actually go for a cropped hoodie instead of a regular fit. So this is the front of the hoodie. We have the logo and the rose in white, and then on the back the design is also in white as well. And then obviously as it's cropped, it kind of like fills the entire back area. I actually think that the hoodie is one of my favorite things, just because it looks really cool. Ooh, oh my god, I'm so hot and sweaty filming this video. I don't know whether it's nerves or whether it's just like absolutely boiling in my apartment. But yeah, there we have it. That's both of my t-shirt designs for you guys. As I said in the beginning of the video, they are now available to purchase, so I will put a link down below in the description box where you can go and check them out, and also the prices will be on the web page as well. And just to let you guys know, the shipping is super quick. They are shipped directly from the manufacturer, so yeah, they'll get to you pretty fast. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you do purchase any of these t-shirts, thank you so much for supporting me. Make sure that you do tag me on your Instagram so that I can see you wearing them. And yeah, thank you so much for always supporting me and supporting these little projects that I do. I do really appreciate it, and yeah, I'm just so excited to see you guys wearing them. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.